let's try Saslong, the World Cup. This Saslong, as you could see, I hope you could see, it's almost vertical. World Cup ski slope. Yes. Woo! Woo! Yeah. Slopes, not so many people. This is what I Yes, this is like a joke, or is as good as sex, I would say. I mean, look around. No people, perfect snow, beautiful weather. Dolomites, Saslong 2020. What a time to be, what a time to live in. I love Selaronda. It's such a beautiful time, such a beautiful weather. I don't have a clue if the camera is still recording. Let's hope. Good, isn't it?